Today we will learn that how to create an account in this website. First go to google.com. Type UCTC CO in search box and hit enter key. Click on website link. Go to account menu and click on register option. Fill up the form properly and click on register button. After complete the registration, wait for admin approval. You can get approval mail within 24 hours. Then go to login option. Type your username or email ID and password. Then click on login button. You can access your profile now. To log out the profile, just go to settings button, click on log out option. Or go to account menu, then click on log out option.